Hey Goddard Lions, this is your Goddard Friday.
We are your hosts. I'm Taryn Edwards.
And I'm Emma Culver.
If you haven't seen our past shows, you can find them on YouTube by searching Goddard_Media.
Make sure to subscribe.
Before we get into the show, Sarah has next week's announcements.
This is your Lion announcements for the week of February 28th through March 4th. On Monday, February 28th, golf practice will begin at Tetz Consolver Golf Course. On Tuesday, March 1st, ACT testing will take place for grades 9 through 11 from 7:35 to 11:30 a.m. Students will test with their pride. Freshmen through sophomore will take the pre-ACT, and juniors will take the free ACT. On Wednesday, March 2nd, theater will perform for Dr. Seuss Day at various elementary schools. On Thursday, March 3rd, a jazz concert will take place in the auditorium at 7 p.m. On Friday, March 4th, group and club pictures will happen, and spring debate and forensic invitational takes place at GHS.
We hope you had a great Valentine's Day. Next, Jordan and Sophie recap how GHS celebrated the day.
This is your Valentine's Day recap with Jordan Pennington and Sophie Carlson. First up is our GHS Madrigals performing their Singing Valentines. People paid $25 for them to sing love songs to their Valentines and give small cheesecakes. They traveled around town to spread Valentine's Day love. Here's a short clip of them performing.
Can you feel the love tonight? Tonight's how it's laid to rest.
Also on Valentine's Day, FCCLA held their Crush for a Crush sales. Students had a chance to pre-order by scanning a QR code. During lunch, FCCLA students sold snacks and drinks for their organization. Reporting for GHS Media, this has been Jordan Pennington and Sophie Carlson.
I'm Rembrandts, and up next is your sports report. This is your sports report. First up is bowling. The varsity girls bowling team won the AVCTL Division II League Championship on Monday at North Rock Lanes. Here are your top bowlers. The boys finished in a tie for 5th overall. Here are all the conference selections. The varsity basketball boys and girls headed to Eisenhower on the 15th. The girls came out on top 33-30, but the boys lost 50-47.
Well, we were really excited about the playoffs. I know we sat down as a team before the season. One of our goals was to make the playoffs and even better yet, host. So we're excited that next week we'll get to host. Right now, it's unclear who we will have. We got a couple of options, but our job is to just work together, be prepared, and give our best.
On the 18th, the boys and girls fell to Andover Central. The boys losing 38-36, and the girls lost 60-53. Lastly, on the 22nd, Arc City traveled to our house, where the boys won 43-27 and the girls won 56-18.
I just think that together we've grown as a family. I think that that's a big deal when you are competing and you look next to you and that's a sister and you treat them like a family member. And we've done a lot of team building activities. We've done a lot of things out in the community, and I think it really shows on the court when we help each other out and support each other for our goals.
Lastly, the wrestlers traveled to Valley Center for regionals and took first place overall with 223 points. In the final round, Caden Glass won over a Mays wrestler 4-0.
I feel like my matches went really well. Some highlights in my semifinals match, I was up 14-2, and then I pinned the kid. And then in my finals match, I rode the kid for like 5 minutes. And then what motivates me for stage is just, finally getting a state title. I've made it twice already. Now I just got to finish.
And Jared Fisher won 18-2.
This week, marketing planned a spirit week to promote state wrestling and our basketball senior night. Jacob and Ashlyn captured the best moments. Let's see what you guys came up with.
This is a new rendition of Lion Tail Was a Hit. Taylor and Carly are bringing it back. This week, the theme is, Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader?
Excuse me, how many sides are on a hexagon? 6. Good job. Excuse me, Zach. Which state is the Grand Canyon in?
Arizona.
Good job. Elias, excuse me. What ocean is on the East Coast?
The East Coast. That'd be the Atlantic.
Good job. Excuse me, which species can live in water and land?
Frog.
Amphibian, yes. Can you show me your signature dance move?
I don't know how to dance.
Perfect. Excuse me, what's the plural of moose?
Meese.
Good job. Excuse me, is cereal soup?
No, unless it's like breakfasty soup, but if you think it's like dinner soup, you're a freak.
Perfect. Who's the man on the $10 bill?
Maddie?
Oh my god, we're literally in a push this hour. This is awkward. Ask Mr. Reese.
Mr. Reese, excuse me. Who's the man on the $10 bill?
Why is there a microphone right in my face?
Who's the man on the $10 bill?
Lin-Manuel Miranda.
So good.
Wow.
So true. Excuse me. What's the age requirement to be the U.S. president?
14?
Good job. Excuse me, can I see your signature dance move? Thank you. How many stars are on the flag? Do you believe that cereal is soup?
No, cereal's not soup. That is pure breakfast food or sometimes late night snack food, but not soup, no.
Good job. Excuse me. How many stars are on the American flag?
50.
Who's your favorite president?
I don't know.
What's your mom's name?
Cindy.
No way, me too! High five. Cool.
Lastly, Stuka hosted a kickball night and jar wars to raise money for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Here's our recap.
Coach said to fake right and break left. Watch out for the pick and keep an eye on the fence. Gotta run the give and go, take the ball to the hole, and don't be afraid to shoot the outside, Jay. Just keep your head in the game. Just keep your head in the game, and don't be afraid to shoot the outside, Jay. Just keep your head in the game. Put your head in the game. Put your head in the game. We gotta get it. Come on, put your head in the game. We gotta get it ahead of the game. Gotta get your head in the game. We gotta get it ahead of the game. Wait a minute at the time and place. Wait a minute, am I head in the game? Wait a minute, am I head in the game? Wait a minute, I gotta get my head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. I gotta get my head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. Come on, get my head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. I gotta get my head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. Woo!
We hope you have a fantastic week in GHS. See you next time.